Well, hello again, good people. Hi, it's Jason from Green Country Agroforestry back here in the empty driveway in front of the house. It's been nearly a week now, maybe a little bit over. Today's June 29th, and we finally got word about the truck. The Creek County Sheriff's Department gave me a call and reported that they had found it down in Sapulpa, about 20 miles south of here. And I wasn't able to get to it right away, so they went ahead and had a tow company haul it to the lot there in Sapulpa. Just went out there earlier to have a look at it, and it's not good. They successfully demolished the steering wheel, the steering column, tore out the ignition, succeeded in messing it up to the point where it can't even be started. Stripped several parts off of the truck, spray painted the truck with multiple colors of spray paint, which is weird. Removed the tag, replaced it with some paper dealer's tag that probably printed it up on a printer somewhere. Filled it full of junk, and yes, they stole my mulch. Whatever possesses a person to use a can of spray paint on a vehicle anyway? Must be the drugs. But my mulch, really? They took my mulch. Well, of course, I haven't been sitting on my hands this entire week either. I've been out looking for a replacement for the green machine, and I do have something to show you. Let's look that way. Well, what we have here is a 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 V6, and I picked this up for $2,300. It needs about another $800 worth of work on it. There's a problem with the steering gearbox. It doesn't make left-hand turns very well at the moment. So $2,100 by the time, or no, $3,100 by the time I'm all done paying for it. But I looked at the cost of recovering the F-150. $200 to get it out of the lot. In its current condition, it can't be started, so it can't be driven, which means towing it 25 miles, give or take. So there's an extra tow bill attached to that. Then the cost of repairing the steering wheel column, and Lord only knows what else has been done to it. It'll have to be reinsured, of course, because I already transferred the insurance to this machine here. At the end of the day, maybe a little over $1,000 to get the truck back into operating condition, and about $1,200 is about all that truck would be worth. And I'd be paying extra insurance for a second vehicle. I'm not really ready to do that, so we had to let the F-150 go, unfortunately. But let's have a look at this machine. So, Dodge Ram 1500 V6 2001 model. It comes with this nice little bed cover. And let's take a look under that cover real quick. Oh wow, all fancy. There's a spare tire, and yeah, I don't know if that TV works or not. It came with a TV or computer monitor or something. It even came with a bag of dirt. Isn't that cool? Alright. Of course, new rubber on the tires, except for those. Needed to get rubber on those. Pioneer stereo system. The faceplate to that's in the house right now. It works really well, actually. And of course, to make sure that somebody doesn't walk off with the truck again, I got one of these. Let's just put that there. Lock that in place. Now, well, doesn't make it impossible to steal, but it makes it a lot harder. There's manual door locks and window cranks. But it ought to do the trick. I'm going to have to get that cover off the back before I can use it to haul any mulch though. So I guess it's time to dig around in the garage and find my tools. They cleaned out all the tools from the old truck. I went and checked to see if there was anything salvageable in it. No, my tools are gone, the jack's gone, jumper cables are gone, the other set of tools are gone. So, yeah. Of course now we got to get this this bed cover off of this. It's nice to have if you're driving around town. Makes a little cover for you, put your groceries in the back of the truck, but that's not what I'm using the truck for. I'm using the truck to haul mulch and trees and stuff like that. It's a work truck. So the frou-frou cover's got to go, and ordinarily I would use a 9/16 wrench to remove these little clamps. And let me lower that. To remove these clamps, like this one right here, that are holding this truck bed cover on, but my wrenches were in the old truck, and before they abandoned the truck, they took all the tools out. So I am left with whatever I happen to have lying around at the moment, including well, a crescent wrench, adjustable. I can adjust it to 9/16 of an inch, so just real quick. There we go. Got the clamps off. So there are 4 clamps all together. I got all 4 of these off. Now, from my understanding of things, we should be able to get in here and lift this bed cover off. Go ahead and lower it first, and hey, check that out, it slides. All right, but it's hanging up on something in there. Oh, okay. So there's little screws that are in place there. Alright, I just got to get this thing moved to the carport, I think. Woohoo! Get my workout in. Okay, so I managed to get the bed cover from over there, and I dragged it beside the yard, beside the old broken down van here. It doesn't run either. It's not even my van. It's my friend's. He parked it here about 10 years ago. Hasn't come to pick it up since. I keep on telling you, dude, you need to come get this, or I'm going to sell it. Maybe one of these days I actually will. Probably about the time the pecan tree right over here grows tall enough that the wrecker can pass under it. Okay, you got about 5 more years. But now I've got to get this bed cover moved back behind the carport, or at least on the other side of the fence. Bear with me while I struggle with this. I'm sure y'all could use a good laugh. Boy. boy! Daughter knew exactly the right time to go on vacation. What? There's work to be done? Oh no, run out of here. The thing that bothers me is these pistons are just staying up. I guess it needs the weight of the cover to hold them down. See, they're just now determined to stay up. I suppose I could remove the cotter pin there. Oh well. I should be able to slide it on the edge. What do you think? Maybe? Piece of wood for a rail here, so I'm not scraping too much. Clear out a lot more stuff back there, but we've got it stowed. Oh. Whew. Time for a break. All right, well, there we go, folks. That's all I got for you today. Hey, this just goes to prove that whenever misfortune comes your way, it's not the end of the world. There's always something better waiting right around the corner for you. You just have to keep your eyes open and you'll find it. That's all I got for you today. And as always, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Bang the notification bell. Good people, I will catch you next time.